Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the essentials. Open Roblox Studio and sign into the creator account so permissions won't block features. Once done, enable the developer console and Explorer to access scripts. This lets you inspect character face instances. Next, find a face recorder plugin in Toolbox or import a module script that captures facial animation or face pose. Make sure the plugin matches your studio version, because mismatched APIs often cause failures. Now you're ready to attach the recorder to a test avatar. You now install and configure the face recorder. First, install the plugin via Plugins Manage or import the module script into the game assets. Then place the recorder script under starter character scripts for each avatar or run it locally for the player client so it captures face instances like face front or facial animation. After that, set frame rate, recording duration, and output folder variables in the script. These control smoothness and file size. Finally, toggle any permission flags so local scripts can write results to the correct path. You finish by testing, exporting, and troubleshooting. Start Play Solo and trigger the recorder with the hotkey or UI button. Monitor console logs for captured frames. Once recorded, export the data as JSON, CSV, or animation keyframes and import into the animator for playback. If nothing records, make sure local scripts have write permission, the plugin supports your Studio API, and character face instances use expected names. When errors persist, restart Studio, re-import the plugin, and rerun the test to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.